This is my 1991 Mazda 626. I'm currently having problems with it bucking when it's accelerating. It'll die on me when I put it in drive, or it'll idle really low when it's in drive and like I'm braking. My key snapped inside of here, so I don't have to start it for now. Sucks. She starts up every single time though. Not too many problems. Sounds pretty good in reverse. No problems there. But the second we put it in the drive, it's probably gonna stall. Oh, there you go. And once we do get her into gear, the RPMs jump like crazy. So I'm guessing either something to do with ignition, something to do with it not getting the right fuel or air. So it's gonna be a fun little project. It didn't take me long to look through the ignition wiring. So these are ones that go to the spark plugs, and then there's a cord that goes from right here over here that powers that right there. And look, it's full of grease. So I'm gonna go ahead and scrape that out. Also, probably doesn't help that has a cut air intake tube. I've seen some dirty spark plugs, but this kind of takes it to a whole nother level. Also, seem to have found something in my air filter. That's interesting. Alright, so we got some duct tape on the air intake hose. So we're going to take it for a test run and see how that goes. Well, I'm happy to announce that with those little tiny improvements, we are way better. It's still a little rough. It shakes a little bit when I come to a stop. It almost stalls on me. So we're not completely fixed, but we're on the right track. Well guys, I hope this video helped y'all out. Please like and subscribe. Comment below if you'd like me to do any other car repairs or if you have any other questions. I'm still learning on cars, so don't know a whole lot, but just learning it one day at a time, so yep.